Hi, Joe Duncan of Joe's Ugly Hacks here again. I hope you all enjoyed my previous videos and have made it over to the new YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the JUH procedural token animation system. The token animation system is the most mature feature of JUH, and consequently a bit more involved than some of the other features, so I'll be posting follow-up videos on how to use its various capabilities. The JUH procedural token animation system is like the JUH background animation system, but rather than running a continuous loop on a background stamp, it runs one-shot animation sequences on individual tokens. Those animation sequences can be pre-written or generated procedurally on the fly. First, I'll give you a quick demonstration of what the JUH token animation system can do, and then I'll give you a short explanation of how it does it. In the videos that follow, I'll provide short examples of how to quickly implement some basic token animation use cases. Okay, here's a quick demonstration of JUH token animation. You can see I've got 3 tokens on the screen here, a healing aura, an arrow, and our friend Mr. Big Ears, a player perspective token. I've also got a handful of pre-written macros that I'm going to use to run the demos. The most basic capability is image flipping, as we can see with the healing aura. Another basic capability is token movement, as we can see here with the arrow. A couple of more basic operations are transparency and rotation, as we can see here with the healing aura. Additionally, JUH procedural token animation provides resizing, which we can use to make our arrow look like it's rising in an arc when fired, like so. It also allows local spatial sound clips to be called at any point in the animation. This way we can add sounds to the heal and arrow animations, like so. Since the token animation system is geared towards automating in-game tokens, the basic sound command plays a local spatialized sound clip, and thus requires a perspective token, selected or impersonated, in order to hear the sound, which is why I had to select our Mr. Friend Big Ears here before running the animations with sound. Lastly, what I've been showing you have mostly been pre-written scripts, but JUH token animation scripts can be generated on the fly. So for example, token movement can be responsive to player position, like so. Alright, so that was a quick rundown of what the JUH token animation system can do. Stick around and I'll give you some short examples of how it works. What you see on the screen here is a very basic JUH token animation script. Each animation script is an array of 3 values, a list of token IDs, the frame time in milliseconds for each frame, and a sequence of animation frames. You can see a generalization of the animation script format here. The JUH Media Animation Processor accepts an animation script either to begin the sequence or from its own recursive processing, removes the first frame from the list, and then executes its operations. Then it puts the remaining frames into a recursive timeout call to itself. When there are no frames left in the list, it does nothing, and the animation ends. Each animation frame is a sequence of frame operations, and each frame operation is a 3-value array of an operation command, the token ID index of the token to operate on, an array of operation arguments. You can see a generalization of the animation frames and operations formats on the screen here. This is the full list of the frame operations supported by the JUH procedural token animation system. Clip, which plays a local spatial audio clip, viz, which sets the visibility, image, which sets the current image, opacity, which sets the opacity, rotation, which sets the facing, size, which sets the width and height, move, which sets the position, song, which starts a local audio stream on all clients, and lastly, mac, which can trigger any macro you like. Complete details on each frame operation can be found in the JUH Media API reference and how-to documents. I'll also be providing more detailed examples on how to use them in the upcoming animation system tutorial videos. Anyways, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. See you all next time.